Happy Friday, parents. Today is April 30th. I don't even know where April went. That was the craziest fast month ever. I hope that you guys enjoyed your week and that you can get outside and enjoy this beautiful weather this weekend. It seems like our weekends have been pretty nice lately. I just wanted to say thank you so much again for everything you guys continue to do, the donations for the Sacred Celebration today. The kids really enjoyed it, and just your patience as things are a little bit different this year. When we talk about this year, it's crazy to think that there's only about 2.5 weeks left. And so you'll see an outline of the upcoming dates that actually go through the rest of the year. So next week, we have our Scholastic Book Fair. You can click the link and download the e-wallet. That is probably the easiest way for your kiddo to shop at school. It makes it super manageable for them. They don't have to bring money in that you worry about losing. It's just a really great opportunity for them to be able to shop a little bit. On May 12th, it will be the pre-registration end date for Field Day, so make sure you read the Firebird Word and any other emails about that. Field Day this year will be on the 18th. That will also be Twin Day if your student wants to participate with a twin. Otherwise, it is athletic wear day. And so as long as it's school appropriate, they can dress in comfy athletic wear for our events. Also, the week before, on May 13th, we have our Summer Style Spirit Day. That's a student council sponsored event. And even though it's school-wide on the 14th, we're going to do it as a third grade team on the 13th so that we can dress up the following day for Colonial Wax Museum. And so on May 14th, that is when their poster will come to school, and they'll come to school in costume, dressed as their colonial leader. And so if anybody still needs information about that, they went home last week. However, if you need to Zoom and ask questions or call, email, whatever you need, I know it's kind of a big project, and so if you have concerns, just let me know. The poster, I've had a couple questions about the poster. So basically, it can just be a science board that stands up with a trifold. It can be one that we just tape to the wall. On that, they'll need their leader's name, birth and death date, and then 5 pictures that can just be printed from the internet or drawn. We just ask that they're in color and that they have captions. And then any other facts that your student finds relevant and really important about their leader. This is not the same as their speech. It can be different facts. And then the speech that they'll do is what we're working on in class. That'll come home early next week so that they can start memorizing it. Those are just getting finalized in class. Finally, sorry, I'm looking at a calendar here. Finally, on May 19th, class list will be emailed out, and the May 20th will be the last day of school, and it is a half day with a release at 11:30. If you have summer birthdays that you are wanting to squeeze into May, please just email me a day in May that you want to bring your treats, and we will celebrate your student's birthday. I know how it is to have a summer birthday, so we don't want to miss out if your student wants to celebrate. I hope that you have a great weekend. If you have any questions, please let me know.